Bonjour tout le monde. I'm sorry I couldn't be there today. I had an unexpected appointment pop up. Today we're going to start lesson 3C. This is the third lesson in this unit. So after this, we have a quiz, then a unit test, and then we start our first movie. So if we take a look at this lesson, we see that the title of it is Ça fait combien? And this question, Ça fait combien, asks, how much is it? Combien asks how much, and ça fait, that's how we ask, how much does all of this come to? So keep in mind the whole theme of this unit. First we ordered food, then we ordered drinks, and now that we've ordered all of that stuff, we have to pay for it. So Trin and Celine, they've had their drinks at the cafe, and now it's time for them to say goodbye and pay the bill. So Trin calls the waiter over. Tout le monde répète. S'il vous plaît. And the waiter comes over. Oui, monsieur. Trin asks, ça fait combien? Tout le monde répète. Ça fait combien? That asks, how much is all of this? So the waiter looks at the table and says, voyons, let's see now. Un jus d'orange, 2,50 € et une limonade, 1,50 €. Ça fait 4 €. So he's saying an orange juice, that's 2,50 €. And a limonade, that's 1,50 €. So in total, that comes to 4 €. Trin says, 4 €, très bien. Oh, 4 €, very well. And then he starts feeling around his pockets. Mais, zut, où est mon porte-monnaie? Où est mon porte-monnaie? Where is my wallet? And then he leans over and whispers to Céline, Dis Céline, prête-moi 5 € s'il te plaît. Tout le monde répétait, Dis Céline, prête-moi 5 € s'il te plaît. And you can tell by her expression and also the waiter's expression, no one's really happy about this. So that's the problem that he got into. Now, I'll let you read the Note Culturelle yourself. We talked about this in one of our virtual days last week. Now, to ask how much something is, we ask c'est combien. There are a couple different ways that we can ask how much something is. One of them is c'est combien. Tout le monde répète, c'est combien. We can also use ça fait combien. Tout le monde, ça fait combien. Now, what's the difference between these two? C'est combien is generally for one item. Ça fait combien is generally for several items in total. How much does all of this come to? Whenever you're in doubt, choose ça fait combien. And you can answer both of those with ça fait and then however much it is. For example, ça fait 10 €. Tout le monde répète, ça fait 10 €. Now you can also ask how much something costs by asking combien coûte and then the name of the item. For example, combien coûte le sandwich? Tout le monde répète, combien coûte le sandwich? And I want you to notice the use of le here, or if it were feminine, we would use la. This is a place where we need to use our definite articles le and la. Since we're talking about le sandwich, we know that that's masculine. We can replace it with il, and we'll say il coûte. And here, the sandwich is 5 €, so we say il coûte 5 €, tout le monde. Il coûte 5 €. Now, if we had up here la pizza, combien coûte la pizza? La pizza then is feminine, so we would say elle coûte. Elle coûte 10 €. So masculine things are replaced with il, feminine things are replaced with elle. Now, you saw that Trin asked Céline, hey, can you loan me 5 €? To say loan me, we say prête-moi. Tout le monde, prête-moi. And then whatever you need after it. Tout le monde, répétez. Prête-moi 30 € s'il te plaît. Prête-moi 30 € s'il te plaît. And then they tell you here that masculine things are replaced by il, feminine things replaced by elle. Bon. This is the second part of the cultural thing. They show you that there is liaison between the numbers and the word euro, and euro is pronounced in French euro. Everyone try saying that, euro. So, tout le monde, 1 euro, 2 euros, 3 euros, 4 euros. That one's hard to say, 4 euros, 5 euros, 6 euros, 7 euros, 8 euros, 9 euros, 10 euros. So we make that liaison with our money. I'll let you read the petit commentaire on your own. For your assignments today, I'd like for you to do activity 1 as a speaking activity with a partner. If there needs to be a group of 3, that's fine. In activity 1, you simply need to ask your partner for whatever amount of money. So switch off roles, and one person asks, s'il te plaît, prête-moi 5 euros. S'il te plaît, prête-moi 2 euros. S'il te plaît, prête-moi 3 euros. S'il te plaît, prête-moi 10 euros, etc., etc. Switch off back and forth, and the other person, it's up to you to decide whether or not you want to give them the money or not. So that'll be entirely up to you. Then I would like for you to work on activity 2 as a speaking activity. One person in the same groups, one person asks, combien coûte, and then the name of this item. Combien coûte le chocolat? Combien coûte le thé? Combien coûte le jus d'orange? Combien coûte la salade de tomate? And you're asking, how much do all of these foods and drinks cost? And how much do they cost? Well, look over here on the right. You have the menu for this restaurant, Le Select, a cafe restaurant. And the point here, the purpose here is this. If you're dealing with a masculine food or drink like le thé, le jus d'orange, le café, le steak frite, in your answer you want to say il coûte and then whatever the price is. So le chocolat, we find chocolat over here, it's 2 euros 50. That's how the French say it, 2 euros 50. So we say le chocolat is masculine, il coûte 2 euros 50. If we're dealing with a feminine item like la salade de tomate, a salade de tomate, we find it here, it is, it's 4 euros. La salade, that tells us it's feminine, so we would say elle coûte 4 euros. Elle coûte 4 euros. That's your focus here, getting your ils and your elles correct. Now, it's up to your partner to listen for that. So partners, make sure that if you're saying le thé, le jus d'orange, that your partner is saying elle, or I'm sorry, your partner is saying il. But if you're saying la salade, la glace, l'omelette, that's also feminine, that your partner is saying elle. You know, I've got to rely on partners to listen to each other for this one. Go ahead and try activity 3 as well. When I get back tomorrow, I will expect to hear some of these in all of them, activities 1, 2, and 3. I expect to hear some of them very smoothly, not too many pauses, and I don't want to hear any, oh, what'd you say? But oh, I forget, what do I have to do? No, practice it today. Get it right today. Let's see, we'll do that when I get home. That's 9 minutes. Okay, you guys, that's good. Practice activities 1, 2, and 3. Read your cultural notes, and I will see you tomorrow. À demain, tout le monde.